Pug, pug, pug. Pug, 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 pug. Pug, 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 pug. Pug, 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 pug. Scratch, 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 scratch. Zorro. Scratch, 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 scratch. Scratch, scratch, scratch. Oh, you went on this side. Oh, look at that. Back, 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 back. Scratch, scratch. Back on that side. Fine. See, why kind of like a normal dog that just goes scratch my back, but
fault. I taught her to let you know which side it is.
It's terrible. That really is.
No, it's not. It's telling you how intelligent she is.
Right. Ah. Oh, come on. Ah. Buggy. Oh, sorry. Buggy. Scratch. Scratch. This side? Or that side? This side? Scratch on this side? Scratch. Scratch. Or maybe this side. Scratch. Or this side? This side? Come on.
She's looking at your dad for the chocolate.
Well, I'd better go get it. Scratch.
The only thing we have is the dark chocolate. We only have 1 or 2.
Look at that face.